Hey everyone, so we got back. I'm showing you another thing I just barely got in the mail. A new boost gauge. Super excited to get this in. This time I'm just doing a 35 PSI boost gauge because last time I got 60 and it was just kind of dumb because I would only get like up to 30 if that. So it'll be a lot nicer just to see it go all the way, you know, all the way around like. So yeah, so we'll get that in, but just kind of showing you the parts versus I'm just gonna put the gauge and physically put the gauge in, but not install all the way because I don't want to take this off 2 more times because put this one in, install it, blah blah, and then take it back off again and stuff. So I'm just gonna put it in there until I get my pyro gauge and then I'll hook it all up. So but this is it. It's 6104 boost gauge, 35 PSI. Let's open it up. Okay, so we got it open and this is everything it is, and that's the back of it. So you got your positive and negative for the illumination and then your fittings. But also too with this one, you have to get a fitting, a 90-degree fitting, and I ordered that already and it's coming in the mail. Won't be here till Monday, so I'll show you that too. But it makes, because when I put it in, the line got all bent. It would like go, I don't know, it's hard to do with one hand, but it basically like go this way, but then right here would jam it up, so then it was always kinking itself. So once you get that 90-degree adapter on, it will work just fine. But yeah, you get your line and then your fittings and then just your the firewall ground that you can use or you can't or whatever. This is for if you want to put it on here and, you know, hook it on or mount it on somewhere. But those are instructions. It's super easy. It doesn't come with any wires, so you got to get some wire for it to install it. But other than that, I mean, it looks awesome. So, and here we go. I'm just gonna put it in for now just to be in there. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Cool. But yeah, once we get the other one, we will be set. And I have an extra gauge I should just throw up there just to cover the hole, but it looks pretty good. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll put that link below so you can, if you want to grab one, you can get one. But thanks for watching.